Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. Today we're going to be doing a special 4-7-8 breath to regulate our nervous system. There are 4 parts to the breath. We're familiar with the inhale, then there's the pause at the top of the inhale, the exhale, and then the pause at the bottom of the exhale. And when we play with the length of each part of these breaths, we can stimulate our nervous system in different ways. Today we're focusing on calming the nervous system, so we're going to be lengthening the exhale longer than the inhale. So it's an inhale for a count of 4. We hold our breath for a count of 7, and then just a nice, long, slow exhale for a count of 8. So even if you don't do this breath exactly, as long as you exhale longer than the inhale, it creates a very calming sensation in the nervous system. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to start in a comfortable seat. You can sit on a chair, on the floor, even laying down. This breath is excellent for winding down right before bed, or if you have some challenges with the nervous system, for just taking a few moments for yourself to regulate. So we're going to gently close the eyes and just notice how you feel in your body and your mind in this moment. And we'll start to lengthen the inhale and the exhale, expanding the lungs, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. Tuck your chin just slightly to lengthen through the back of the neck. And let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 more breaths on your own. And after your last exhale, just resuming your normal breath. Let's take a nice inhale together here. Exhale out the mouth. And just pause for a moment, tune in, and just notice how your body feels and your mind. If there's any differences from when you started this 12 breath practice. Bringing the hands to heart center, bowing the mind to the heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. If you like this video and you want to plop a comment, let me know how you're feeling after this practice. And I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be the first to receive weekly videos. And also, if you're interested in learning about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.